Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all doing? Antoine Smalls Financial Blueprint. Appreciate y'all continue to tap in with me, continuing to get some game. As you know, leaving the gym, taking a walk, had some things on my mind I wanted to get out, So I'm seeing this trend, and really it's too much of a trend, really. It's the, inability for us to not allow politics and our emotions to get into our investment conversation. All right, and what I mean by this is Trump accounts. All right. Regardless if you like him or not, if you are somebody that had a child, I believe after the year of 2000, start the year 2025 through the year 2028, going to look at Trump accounts if you had a child within those years, January 2025 through the end of 2028, I believe, you get access to basically a child's custodial account through Robinhood, to where they put $1,000 and $2,000 into an account for your child, and it's invested into the stock market. Right? So take a look at the Trump accounts. If you haven't already taken a look into it, definitely take a look into it. It went online about a week and a half ago officially. Make sure that you are taking the steps for your kids. But what I really want to talk about, I keep hearing everyone criticizing and finding a way to demonize the president because maybe you don't like him or you don't stand for the things that he stands for, and you're allowing politics and your emotions dictate action when it comes to investing, financial decisions, and that's no bueno. We don't do that. Regardless of if you like a person, regardless if you believe in the things they believe in or whatever, like, it shouldn't affect your money decisions, right? Money doesn't care about politics. It shouldn't, right? If a government program benefits you or your child, like, you got to go and take a look at it and see how you can take advantage of it, regardless if it's a name on it, regardless of what it says. Like, you got to take advantage of that opportunity, right? People that make a lot of money, that invest a lot of money, wealthy individuals, they take advantage of opportunities based on facts, based on nothing more than just the facts, right? Your emotions are less important. They're not that serious, right? Right. So do the research. Make sure you get into the Trump accounts. Take a look into it, and see if it fits you, and take full advantage of the possibility. For that investing opportunity, right? But that brings me to my next point, right? Most people stay broke because they wait instead of starting. Like, when I say and when I say do your research in the Trump accounts, I'm talking about, like, go right now, right when you see this video, right now, go into the account, go on the website, do the research, look at the terms and conditions, right? Put it in AI and allow AI to give you the information, and ultimately allow the information to help you start today. Right? Don't wait until it's a perfect time. I'll get to it later. No, like, it's time to get started. I keep telling people, like, it's not about how much money you have. It's not about how much money you make. You can start investing right now in the market with $10, $5. You can buy slices of stocks of great companies, regardless of their share price. You can buy them for $5 to $10 and get slices today. So there's no reason for you to wait. There's no reason for you to worry about your income. There's no reason for you not necessarily, but it's no reason for you to not necessarily worry about your debt. Right? The debt conversation is is for another day. But right now, I'm really just talking about investing, right? Don't wait until the stock market crashes, because on average, the stock market goes up 8 to 12% year over year over the last 50 years. So although there might be some type of downturn that might happen over the next couple of years, because historically, every 5 or 7 years there is some type of market downturn, you can't predict that. And the longer you sit on the side, you lose out on the opportunity to make money because you sit on the sideline waiting for a crash, when the real money is made on the upside, not necessarily on the downside, right? Your future doesn't change when you know more. Meaning, oh, I don't know enough, right? I haven't learned enough, right? It's not enough. It's not big enough reason. You're going to learn from experience by actually playing the game. You're going to learn from being in the game, and you're going to learn from, good and bad decisions, and that's ultimately going to help you become a better investor. But not getting started is never the answer. So get started today, right? Get started on the Trump accounts if you qualify. If not, get started on your investing journey when it comes to buying slices into a great company. Get started today with just $10, and allow that to fuel you to invest more on a consistent basis, and allow that money to grow for you over a long period of time, right? And then number 3, you have to engulf yourself around people that know more than you when it comes to this financial space, right? Build a financial team. Connect with individuals that can help you learn, right? That can help you grow, right? You were never meant to build wealth alone, right? Most people, they have partnerships, they have connections, they have conversations, right? Consulting, coaches. If it's just people around you that's helping you, a group of people that want to learn and grow together, that's ultimately what building a financial team look like, right? Athletes have coaches, right? Business owners have advisors, right? Wealthy people surround themselves with knowledgeable pros, right? So what I'm really imploring you right now is to get around people, like-minded people that can help. If you have questions, that's okay, right? Engulf yourself around soil. The soil around you will help you ultimately grow, and the nutrients that you feed it will help you grow, right? So make sure that you put yourself around the right people, right? So your environment will either multiply your wealth or multiply your expenses. That's a fact. I'm going to say it again. Your environment will either multiply your wealth or multiply your expenses, right? So, I just had a few things on my mind, but, if there's one thing I want to get across today, right, is building wealth isn't about one stock, right, one house, or one paycheck. It's about making better decisions every day. Change your mindset, take action, right, and surround yourself with people who are headed in the direction that you're going, right? So I started this school community called Freedom Builders, and ultimately what we're trying to do long term is to help teach individuals when it comes to all things investing, stock market, real estate, entrepreneurship. We do a lot of financial education in the school community, weekly calls when it comes to investing, where we talk all things market and all things real estate. So if you want to put yourself around people that ultimately want to learn and grow in an environment that's all about education, join the school community, right? Link will be in the description, also pinned to the top of the chat. Lock in today. Start your investing journey if you have it already, and if you're if you are someone that have been in the market a little bit, but also still want some direction and some coaching and some help, definitely tap in with me, Antoine Smalls Financial Blueprint. But also subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this content with someone who needs to hear it. Hit the link in the description when it comes to the school community. Join. We will welcome you with open arms, man. We all about education, all about stewardship, all about learning and growing in the community, man. I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. Antoine Smalls, I'm out. Peace.